Hello everyone, welcome to Geekbuying channel. Today we bring you a first look of the Xiaomi Mi Watch. As we all know, Xiaomi has always been competing with Apple for the top position in the wearable market. Now the competition has become a little more interesting as Xiaomi launched its first smartwatch, Mi Watch. The package looks strikingly similar to the Apple Watch. Open the box. The first layer we see the Mi Watch itself. Then a square magnetic charging base, a charger. The charger is 5 voltage 1 amp by the way. Now to the Mi Watch. It has a 44mm face covered by a 1.78-inch AMOLED screen with a 326 pixels per inch density. There will be 3 versions available, one with an aluminum body and strap, one with a stainless steel bezel and strap, and one premium edition with much more fancy looks. Mi Watch comes with a built-in microphone for making calls or recording voice notes, and there's a speaker for listening to incoming calls or music. There's a eSIM slot to support calls and 4G connectivity, plus Bluetooth and Wi-Fi as you'd expect. And there's GPS and NFC so it can be used for location and contactless payment. The 570 mAh battery promises to last up to 36 hours of use, with the watch powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon Wear 3104GB processor with 1GB of RAM and 8GB of storage. The software it runs is MIUI for Watch, which is based on Google Wear OS, and there will be a separate app store available for downloading more apps. It comes with built-in fitness functions for measuring heart rate and sleep, with 10 special modes for activities like running, cycling and swimming. Currently Xiaomi only sells the watch in China, but it will be available on Geekbuying website very soon. For the price and availability of the Xiaomi watch, please check out the link in the description. See you guys next time.